What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Right now, I'm finna do today's I'm finna have the most exciting day ever. You know why? Because I don't have anything planned. I don't know what to do anyhow, but I think I have someone who does know what to do in 3, 2, 1. Yes, we got Zoe over here, and tell us what we're gonna do today.
So I brought from home this a little surprise.
So I think we're gonna have,
surprise.
And this thing is huge. So I think we're gonna have to back up for this big boy.
And as you do not know, Jordan has merch now. I'm just playing.
Sweeto. But if you guys want us to have merch, how about you hit that like button
and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
And we'll actually
comment down
have
below
merch if we can reach to 10,000 subscribers.
And
because if we get 10,000 subscribers, you get money. Now I'm not doing YouTube just for the money. I'm doing YouTube for the excitement, the everything,
and the drama. So I brought this thing, big boy, from home. My daddy brought it, which you saw in the last video on my channel.
And also, just look at this. Take a moment. And this, guys, has over 60 surprises in this. 60! And this thing is huge, guys. And I think we're going to need some scissors.
And I think we're going to need some help by you guys hitting that like button and subscribing. Hit that notification bell and comment down below.
And if you have any tips for us, I would appreciate it very much.
If you send it to us.
Just send it to us in the comment down below.
And also please send it in the mail.
Oh, they don't know our address, so
whatever. No, don't tell them, please.
I know my address, but I'm not telling you. It's 10000159. JK, it's not. It's really not, guys. Don't search that.
Guys,
don't go to a random person's house and say, "Are you JRL?" Just don't.
Please don't. And don't go to a house saying, and guys, I have new purple hair now.
Here now. Okay, let's back up. Let's open this big boy.
Hair.
What should we name this big boy right here? What should we name?
We should name it. I'm just playing. We should name it
Big Boy?
No, Big Bro.
Big Bro. Guys, 1 like is 1 more life for Big Bro. Let's like that let's click that like button, notifications, subscribe if you love Big Boy. Big Boy?
This is Cyborg, Big Boy.
This is Big Boy.
Big Boy Cyborg. That's his name.
All right, so guys, let's go ahead and open this big boy.
And guys, shout out to Verbal X.
Oh, there's a little message on here. It says big.
No, it doesn't. It says
big hair, don't care.
Wait, let me see.
It says it like you gotta read it really.
Big. Oh yeah, it does say. Guys,
right.
I'm trying to show you what it says. If you can't see it,
it's like right
deal
here.
With it. Just deal with it.
Yeah,
if you can't see with it, deal with it.
But it's like supposed to be like the magnet thing, but we haven't even uncovered the magnet. So let's just go ahead and
There's barely light, guys.
Yeah.
You can barely see my purple hair.
Let's back up because
I'm just playing. Guys, I'm just playing. This is just a hair extension.
Yeah, it's like part of the bow. Anywho, we're gonna open this zipper right here, and let's see if Big Boy is able to open.
Big Boy Cyborg is gonna.
Big Boy Cyborg. We need some scissors. She's literally opening it with her mouth. I'll be back with you guys when I have some scissors. We're back. All right, let's back up again. Okay, that's better. That's much better.
Let's open up Big Bro.
Big Bro.
Hold on. Wait.
Let's just admire.
Wait, guys. And guys.
Wow.
If you do not know what that is from, that's from SpongeBob SquarePants. And
I can't even cut it.
And if you don't know what SpongeBob SquarePants
Have you been
Search it up.
living under a rock like Patrick? And guys,
Comment down below.
we are not obsessed to SpongeBob. Obsessed with.
We're obsessed.
I am trying to correct my grammar in my head. So while I try and open this,
We'll be back as soon as she can open this.
no, I got it open. No need to stop the video. All right, the zipper.
It sounds so weird.
The zipper is being unzipped.
Big boy, you're gonna have to deal with no clothes.
We got
The big boy.
Let's just show him. Let's show him.
He's
So
naked.
this is what Big Boy looks like when he's naked. I know it sounds so weird, but
Let's open this up. I don't
wait, we got to do the zip tie because they want it to be so secure. Why can't you just use flex tape, like just something like that?
They put. Oh, that was easy. I gotta do it.
It's still not open. It's still not open.
I know. Zoe.
Zoe, stop. You're gonna break it. You're gonna break it. Zoe, you are going to break it. I don't want you to break it. Because if you break it, then there would be no way to seal it.
Tape it back.
There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we got one zip tie. Wait, Zoe. Jeez. Back up so they can see it. So we got one zip tie done. Now we just need to get this one. Now it may look like it's done, but no, it is. Oh, so no. No, it's not. This one is actually very hard. I think we need some parental supervision or whatever you call it. Parental supervision. Let's just call it parental help. I think parental supervision is right. So correct me down below in the comments if I'm wrong. Oh, I almost stabbed myself.
So what?
That's not good.
So what?
I am okay.
Guys, she's being so weak right now.
Well, Zoe, I'm sorry that I'm the only one who can use big scissors here. And these scissors are actually hard because they don't close all the way. So, like...
So, how do they cut it?
You have to go forward, like... Yes!
Thank you!
Yes! After 12 years!
What the
Wait,
freak?
just wait. Scoot back. Scoot. Okay, we gotta go like this way a little bit. Okay, finally, after 12 years!
No, it wasn't 12 years.
It was like 12 hours. I'm saying it was like 12 minutes. I'm just kidding. It's like 1 minute. Anywho, after like 12 years.
Really? Your burp stink.
You disgust me.
You just farted about.
Yeah, but at least I said excuse me.
Hey, Daddy, come here.
I am annoyed and triggered because we can't even make one video without him interrupting us.
Yeah, but come here. Please. I'm trying to show you something.
I don't want to be shown listen.
Too bad. Come on.
I'm fixing my stuff.
Zoe, just come on.
And when you get finished,
What you want to show me?
Guys, can you believe there are like
What is it?
over 60 surprises, or maybe exactly 60 surprises in here? If you guys want us to count them, we're gonna count them anyway. If you don't, if you guys want us to count them, then comment down below. And if you guys don't, well, we're gonna count them anyway. So I'm like just waiting for Zoe to come back. So.
Sound said. What sound?
I said I just ate.
Oh, you did?
Nobody said no sound.
Zoe, come on.
Hold on.
We'll be back when Zoe is back. So like, and she's finally back.
And guys, here's my stanky feet.
Ew, okay.
Since you
Let's
wanted to
back
know
up.
where they were.
Let's back up
And my
all the way,
shoes.
Zoe.
And my shoes. Here's my stanky feet there and my
All right,
shoes.
finally we have it open. Let's open it and let's go through this journey together. Scoot over.
3.
Wait, Zoe, wait.
And guys, I got a tattoo. And shout out to Miss McCain too.
She goes to Southern Hills. All right. Finally. You wanna
3,
open this together.
3,
2,
1.
1. You didn't even say it right. Wait. Hold up. It's not open. Okay. I did all that speech for nothing. Literally.
Nothing.
So apparently, this zip tie is a boo hole. Cause it won't.
It is.
It won't open.
It is a butthole.
The zip tie. The zip tie's on the other side. Shoulda knew that.
Yeah, I shouldn't have knew that. I have 4
So, like-
duplicates. Yeah, I shouldn't have knew that. I'm the main one who shouldn't have.
Zero. Stop. Zero. Stop. Zero. Stop. Stop. It wasn't even pause.
And you the one who said you didn't want to be on TV.
That's my game.
Really?
Don't listen to him. Please don't.
All right. Finally. That hurts.
Sorry.
Finally.
I heard it pop too.
Yeah. After 24 years. Scoot over. Scoot over. Scoot over. Wait, over. Still over some more. Over some more. Scoot over some more, Zoe. We still have like all that room where the bed is. Zoe, you're literally on my foot. That hurts. Right there. Okay. Yeah. So me and Zoe are gonna be opening this box together.
And 3, 2, 1.
So wait, Zoe, wait. So we have this right here. We have the magnet in the the magnifying glass in the middle, and we have all these other surprises. And I think there are different layers.
And guys, I have 4 duplicates of this, so I really know what's in here.
Well, we're different. Wait, Zoe.
And guys, we also have.
Zoe, wait. We're gonna show that later. Jeez. All right.
I don't feel like showing it so slow.
Well, Zoe, we have to. I know that's how a video goes.
But Jordan, if we make that orange slime, if we even have food color, it's mine.
Okay, Zoe. Ooh, guys, comment down below and subscribe and like this video. If you guys want us to make a gallon, like a whole tub full of slime. That would be epic, don't you think? Like a whole tub of jiggly slime and we hop in it, or a bathtub with it. That would be fun, guys. Alright.
And guys, we'll make right after this video, we might do it.
Okay. So,
No,
guys.
read this.
I know. I'm going to show them real quick. Alright. So we have this right here.
And we have, hey.
Wait, stop. I got to show them first.
And
We have that
this
magnifying glass.
mine.
Alright, give it to me real quick so I can do this. Alright. We're going to see if you guys can see it.
You're too close.
Well, yeah, you can't see it. But,
Because it's so dark. Okay, I'm going to put the light on the camera.
no, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's too good. It's good.
So guys,
Okay,
that's
so
more
basically we put the magnifying glass up
And
to our
look for
face
clues.
and we see it.
And
And
these
then
clues are over here.
I know. And it says look for secret clues. This one says unbox me. This one says me first. This one says let me out of here. This one says pick me, and this one says you. So these may be people. So we're gonna unbox the first. I'm confused. Okay, we're gonna unbox this first one right here. Has this thing, and it says you have to push it. So let's begin. So first one we gotta push. Okay,
you mine.
Well, you can't. You can push some of it. No, not that one. No, not that one. Okay, so I'm gonna push the first one. No, Zoe, you do the honors of pushing the first one. Okay, let's go. Okay, so okay. Let's use the scissors. Where's the scissors? I'm gonna use. Wait.
No.
Hey.
I have the first one.
Yeah, but you're not allowed to use them. All right, Zoe, you may do the rest. So right now we are opening it.
It's gonna be a shirt, glittery shirt.
It's a glittery shirt.
If we play with these on a video, I call dibs on this and the other surprise, which are.
So this
which
is
is
one of them. So we're gonna lay it right here where you guys can see it.
I'm gonna if we play and I'm gonna be a soccer and I'm gonna like play
Wait,
with.
Zoe, wait.
This is
wait.
my soccer outfit.
And so we have the pants and we have the shirt. Scoot back, Zoe. We have the pants and we have the shirt. So I'll lay those right here.
Do you want to open one?
No, you can just open them. I'll open the others.
Yeah.
Oh, and we have some more
I
pants.
just scratched my nail.
We have a skirt. Pretty cool, right? I know.
And I know whose shoes these are.
And we have some shoes. And right there.
I just opened them. And now I know who these shoes are too.
We have some
High heel boots.
high heel boots.
Which Jordan doesn't
My
fit.
high heel shoe. Wait, I forgot this though. My high. Oh, and we have
The shirt.
a shirt that says meow.
Here is the outfit. First,
Oh, fancy. We got some
I'm
overalls.
so fancy.
Glittery.
You already know that I'm so.
So you gotta do it in front of the camera. Jeez. She's literally doing like it over there. Alright, next one. Oh, yes, what do we have?
A dress.
A dress for
For the people I don't know.
And guys, did you know that there's actually boys as the LOL dolls?
Comment down below if you do and hit that like button and subscribe. I know we said that about 4 million times.
We must have a pet.
No, it's humans.
No.
There's one pet.
Do you think this will fit human? This can't even fit me or an LOL doll. So the only thing it can fit is a pet. So we must have a pet.
We have one pet.
Whoa, don't spoil it.
I'm just saying.
And we have another hat. So are you sure we have one pet? Maybe
Yes.
not. Maybe we do.
Did I not tell you I have 4 duplicates of it?
Okay, just never mind.
I just opened the whole thing except Jordan.
It looks like a medicine bucket thing, you know? Like those medicine card thingies.
Get out of my face.
Alright.
I know what these are. I'm not gonna spoil this time though.
Wait, we gotta look through it though. Where's the magnifying glass?
It's literally right there.
He said it right there, but it's like not right there.
No, over here.
Oh, it's right here. Magnifying glass. Let's see what it says.
There's no message.
Getting wiggy with it. Unwaveable. We have big hair, don't care. So we're gonna be opening this.
Okay, guys, and do it in front of the camera.
That's what I'm doing. See, it's right here.
And guys, I'm having a little hard time opening with my nails.
She gotta open it with her teeth. Guys,
It's a wig.
oh, look at this. We got wigs for those balls. So
Baldies.
right now we got this wig.
And guys, I have a question for you.
we
Why
have
doesn't Caillou
this wig.
have any hair?
Yeah, comment down below why.
And if you think that he's baldy, son, hit that like button.
Yeah. I don't know how to do the pop-up thing with the question, so like I'll just pass you it, you know. You open like 3 of them. We have this curly little clown wig of some sort.
If we play it on my
Shrek is my favorite anime.
shun. And guys, look at these.
Wig number 5.
Just open the door.
What is this one? Wig number 5.
I already showed him.
The blondies.
The rock star hairstyle.
Oh Jesus! I want to open the last one.
Oh!
Wait, so we can't open those lit. Last.
I know, I'm gonna show him.
Wait, okay. And guys, the last layer is this.
See, look, Jordan.
Yeah, I know, they're the pets. All right. So last
But not least,
wig.
I think I know. Yeah, I know which one it is. It's the Nicki Minaj one.
And we don't script this at all.
It's the Nicki Minaj
Most
one.
YouTubers, I found out most YouTubers actually script their videos and don't do freestyle. I do better with just freestyle. We sometimes
It's the
play
Nicki
things.
Minaj wig and my Amy's wig. Well, not a wig, but my Amy's hair. She had pink and yellow hair before.
All right, let's see if Zoe's right.
It's pink and yellow.
All right, let's see. You're right. It's pink and yellow. Nicki Minaj here. So Zoe apparently opened this like 30.
But guys, comment down below if you like Cardi B or Nicki Minaj the best.
Okay. No, we gotta open the smallest one first.
I
And
know,
we gotta.
I'm trying to.
Jeez.
I know, there's only one. What was this? I forgot.
All right.
See,
so
Polly, guys.
I'm gonna open the smallest one, which is the little sis, and she should be opening this one because she's a little
I'm just
sis.
going right ahead.
Of me because you know. But there's 5 surprises, so let's go
And
ahead
there's no.
and open this big fat
And Jordan.
boy. And guys,
And the big bro has.
comment down below. Rip
And the big
big
boy,
bro.
And the big bro has a surprise for you at the when we almost
Say
get
rip
finished.
big bro, but he was a great champ. All right, so we have a little clue. So we need that magnifying glass.
I'm
Where did I
confused. put
that magnifying
I'm
glass?
freaking confused. Man.
If it's literally right in front of me, I feel so. Oh, it's like literally right under me. Right where I said. Okay, so it's like a ghost and friends. Ghost friends.
I know who it is. Just playing, guys. I'm not
It
going to spoil it
is
because you guys already know it's a little sister.
soulmate. All right. Zoe's doing the big sis, even though she's not the big sis around here.
She is. She's my stepsister, guys. If you didn't know it.
All right. Opening. Look at this cool, guys. Look at this, so cool. We got build up suspense. Look at this, so cool. Every time we open up LOL, it's so messy.
Okay, I did not expect that.
All right, opening. And there are packages. So like,
And there's more packages in the big.
literally like 3
sister.
packages that look like diapers. No joke. They legitly look like diapers. But we gotta open it.
Yeah, I'm just straight up opening.
All right.
Oh, I know who I got. I know who I got.
So okay.
I'm just saying. I know who I got.
All right. It's like this, guys, is like really thin. So I hope there's actually
That
something
one.
in here.
This one actually looked like somebody curled up in a blanket, like a baby.
It's a heart, guys. Have heart pizza. We might get the other half. So let's set that down.
No, I don't. I hope not. Ooh, these are cute slippers for her pajamas.
And we're gonna show them all to you really clearly next
Oh.
time. And we have this little pet thingy.
And guys, before anything else, I open the LOL before anything else.
Yeah, we gotta tell you the best for
No, literally.
last.
Every time.
Which we all know are like the pets. But I am really excited to put the wigs on. And we have this little chain thing. I don't know.
And guys, this is the final finale. Even though.
And this is the final finale
Okay.
for me too. So you want to?
That's the bag.
It maybe is. Maybe the bag. We never know.
Cause you know it's a little sister, right?
Yeah.
See, it's a bag.
I know it's a bag.
The little sister.
The
was
little
in
sister
it.
was inside the bag, guys. Literally inside the bag in a package. Wow.
They just put her in. Guys,
So we have this
I'm gonna
bag,
halfway open
guys,
it.
and it looks like a shoe. No joke. That's really cool. It looks like a shoe. We'll show you it all very clearly later
What
on.
looks like a shoe?
This, the bag.
Oh my gosh, guys!
I know. We're
This
gonna
is my character's thing.
Okay, fine.
Just saying.
Guys, we got a little one.
Last time I had I had little hair right here. And guys, it's time for the finale. Let's pick their wig.
Yeah!
Except the baby can't get a wig.
Mm,
You know what? Never mind.
but
You can pick out the clothes for her.
I can still pick up the wig no matter what. This baby will have a wig. She's not too small.
I really think she should get the Nicki Minaj one. Guys, she's Nicki Minaj.
Guys, we got a little wiggy for the little piggy. Look how big the wig is and look how small it is. Oh my god, look at it. Look. This looks so weird. Okay.
And guys, if this
Well,
is a
poor
long
little-
video,
poor
deal
little-
with it.
Poor little baby can't have a little wig. She'll have to have braids on. All right,
Little
Zoe,
braids.
are you ready?
Wait, hold on. You're doing the pet.
The pets. So I'm gonna open the pets. The pets have 7
Wait,
surprises.
Jordan, wait for me.
I'm just gonna open mine first. I'm gonna open mine right now, so they can pay attention to two things. All right, you gotta open this fast, because we've been recording for 25 minutes.
And I don't want it to be 1 hour like my Royal High video.
That was like really. That was
1 hour.
when we like first started YouTubing, and we were like, "Oh, this is good. It's not gonna be so long." But we realized that we have so much fun with it that we barely even realize how long it takes. So basically, that's like one of those videos. We're beginners.
But except it's on my channel.
I'm just a kid. Don't hurt me.
Hey, that's mine.
No, this is yours. Right here.
Nuh-uh, you're opening the pet.
Yeah, this is a pet too.
Nuh-uh.
There are two pets. See, look.
No.
Look, there are two.
That's not a pet.
Oh, this is surprise though. Here, this is a pet. So do you want to open the LOL? Okay. Zoe apparently wants to open the LOL. Oh, I forgot to read it. It says, unbox me and hey, over here. So yeah.
Hey, don't rush me.
I'm gonna edit this video to make it look like I'm I'm being like I'm wrestling and I'm like red screen.
Come on, guys. I'll pause the video until I get back.
All right, so Zoe had to throw away something. Oh, I just threw something I didn't.
My
need
dad's food away.
All right, so we had another soulmates thing. I'm kind of really tired because it's like I don't know, like 9 something p.m.
Well, you can stop the video,
but we don't want to. We want to continue your enjoyment.
You mean I want to continue?
I cannot throw. Hold up. There you go.
Yeah, you can't throw.
Dang. Could you say, oh no, you can't, but nope. Straight told me you can't throw. I literally got off the zipper like exactly.
I'm already finished. I'm just peeling through, guys. Peeling through. Deal with it. If you don't like it, deal with it.
All right, we're opening the pet, guys, and the pet has 7 items, and it's kind of a lot of items.
Ooh, so
and can we? And we're gonna find out if we can put wigs on the pet.
Ooh. Yeah, probably can.
And put the hat on them as well. That's gonna be cool.
You know, there's gonna be there's gonna be a picture coming with it. It's gonna be a photo.
I got a pizza box.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a pizza in it. Hold up, I lost it.
That's so surprising for me. Yeah.
I got a pizza box.
That's so surprising. Yeah.
Well, Zoe, you already opened this like 30 times, so you don't have to ask.
No, 4 times. No,
sarcasm. Okay, I got 2 pizza little things, and I'm gonna put it inside the pizza box right now.
Ooh, some little slippers. So pretty.
All right, this is gonna be so cool.
I'm feeling good.
A pizza heart shape. And guys, comment down below if they can actually make heart shaped pizzas. Have you ever tried? Comment down below if you have.
At Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut, Papa Johnny's. I don't know what I just said. I said Papa Johnny's. All right, opening our second thing. Is this a carton of milk?
Johnny.
We got a little bottle. It says,
hey guys.
Have you seen me?
Hey guys. What I want? What you want? I want some fries with barbecue sauce on the side. Don't forget my chicken wings that I order, or you get knocked inside your head with a quarter. Do not play with me. Comment down below if you watch TikTok. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the big.
And comment down below what is your TikTok account so we can friend you or something like. We got a scooper, pooper, scooper. That's what I said. I didn't say anything else. Don't roll back the clip, please. Future me. It's a pet. Wait, no. Yeah, it's a pet. It's a small pet.
That's some clothes for it. That's the clothes.
That's the clothes for it pet, yeah. We're going to show you everything when we get in there, okay?
They can be sisters, Jordan.
Guys, this is it.
Oh, come on. The big finale. Hey. 3, 2, 1. I just ripped it.
Oh! Look at this.
That's her pet. That's her little sister.
Oh my gosh, this is so
Guys,
cute.
this is her little sister, and that's the other girl's pet.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait.
There's more surprises in there, Jordan. See
Look,
what?
just no, I know. Yeah, I know. We gotta wait though. Look at this. You can put a wing on it. Wait a second. Hold up.
Guys, I'm gonna put the clothes
Okay,
on.
we're gonna show you later, and it's just amazing right now. And so then we're gonna open
Jordan's
the rest.
getting a little too hyper.
Yeah, this is just poo. You don't want to mess with this because this is actually like Play-Doh.
No, there's shoes in there for the cat.
Yeah, they are. All right, so we got something else to open. 1, 2,
I got
1,
glitter all over
2,
my hand.
1. So I evened it out equally. Zoe has 3 and I have 3. So let's begin opening.
Wait, hold on, Jordan. I'm putting on her clothes.
This is closed. These are closed.
No, they're not.
I can feel it. Or something rubbery.
Hey, Jordan.
Hollow. It's hollow.
Stinky.
And guys, actually, my stomach hurts, so I'm doing this video for you. It was 30 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and open this.
And guys, if you want to pay us, we were just playing about paying us.
Oh, what is this? Oh, this looks disgusting.
I know.
This looks like poo.
Something inside of it.
I know, but it just looks disgusting.
It looks like a boo-ho.
It's a mask?
No, yeah, it's a mask. This one can glow.
Okay, that just looks disgusting. I'm going to throw that away. This looks like
Me
poo.
too.
Do I open it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why wouldn't you open it?
Because he said it was a mask. It's a sticker.
No, you're supposed to put that on the LOL's face for a massage if you want to pretend it's a massage. I wish I brought my mansion over here.
Yes, so it actually has the LOL doll mansion. Sadly, she didn't bring it.
Last time Jordan didn't want to play with me.
Yeah, because I was tired.
Yeah, but you were watching TV, freaking watching your iPad.
Alright, we got another one. It looks disgusting. Like, not as disgusting. but
Oh,
it's
mermaid!
disgusting.
Guys, mermaid.
Mermaids.
I got the beautiful mermaid.
So, we got another
And you
mask.
got the ugly ones.
Yeah.
I just opened this like a bag of chips. Hey guys, if you do not know the Fortnite skin, he's throwing popcorn at himself.
Oh, look at this one. This one's cute.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. The kitty one and that one is the prettiest. The other one was ugly. I hate these type of things because they're like two hairs mixed up with each other. Ugh, ugh. And guys, comment down below if you like this.
Guys, do you see how messy it is?
Where's
Oh, this one's okay. This one. I take that back.
They're almost the same thing now.
It's
It looks so weird. That's Foxy mixed up with Flower Child.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Or Purple Queen.
Yeah, there we go. Problem solved.
Ooh.
Problem solved.
I just put that in the...
Oh, I have like a
Ooh.
robot ugly thingy. I have like an ugly
one.
robot thing. Look at this. This is weird. Look.
Where did all my stickers go?
This is
Oh,
weird.
them.
This is weird. I don't like this.
I can get it.
It's a no. I'm like, it's a no. And guys, that is it. But
we will make a video of us. I told you there a picture come.
and look, we got a picture.
And guys, we will make another video of us even playing with them.
Yeah.
But
And
we
so
have a lot
then-
of cleaning up to do.
Yeah, and so we will see you back when we have been cleaned up and we'll show you everything. Why'd you unpause it? Don't unpause it.
Sorry. Guy, I'm sorry for doing that, and my legs are in the way.
Okay, guys. So we got so many outfits, so many things, so many hats, so many wigs, so much of every. shoot, 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 shoot. Stop. Shoot, shoot. Stop. Serious. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Go. Anyhow. I don't know what that was. Anywho. That was amazing. Zoe literally knocked down the camera. Thank you. Applause to Zoe. Anywho, we have so many clothes, so many wigs, so many dresses, so much of everything. We can't show it in this one video, so you're going to have to see it in different kinds of videos. Zoe, stop. Zoe, can you stop, please?
You know I'm sneaky.
I saw you do that like the first person. Zoe, move.
Okay, I'm trying to.
Okay, so we got so much of everything, as I said, and we can't show it all, but we can show off the doll. So we have this doll right here. I don't know what her name is because we haven't even gotten a list out of this big old bucket. But I knew I said we would count it all, but I'm tired, and it's like 9:30 right now. So we have this new lazy girl. She's in her robe, her little slippers, and she has a coffee mug. And we have this girl over here. She's ready to go out, and she's fashionate. And then we have this little cat that just fell. And she doesn't have a wig on right now because she doesn't need to because she's at home chillaxing. And why are you putting? Don't put a wig on her, Zoe. Zoe's ruining everything. I'm trying to make a decent video. Move your leg, Zoe. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Zoe, stop.
Okay.
See, look, see. That's what I told you to get from under there. Exactly. Since we have so much of everything, I can't show you everything. But I do have this little dog, little catty. Yeah, you got a little dress on, and she has a little blue hat on to match with it. And well, there's a lot more things, and I'm going to show you in another video because this video is already 37 minutes, and I bet you don't want to watch this whole entire video. So, I will see you next time. Say good, you're not too cool for school. Bye! By the way, Zoe did not leave. She is just in front of the camera.
Bye.
Bye.